I'm here with Scott Rafer, who has run 4 or 5 Silicon Valley startups, currently Lookery, to speak about the new model of doing business in Silicon Valley.
Sure. We were talking about how venture capital is changing in the face of cloud computing, and I think that cloud computing is the biggest competitor they have.
So cloud computing is the venture capitalist killer.
Sure.
And good riddance to them.
Well, I like a lot of the people, but the funds don't add a lot of value to society or the valley. And particularly if you are a young entrepreneur, it is never a good proposition to take VC. And used to be that meant you couldn't be a young entrepreneur. Now with cloud computing, you can only invest in servers after your service is successful. Right? It used to be that you would have to go raise a bunch of money, stack up a couple hundred servers just in case your website did well. Now you get to turn them on as your website does better, and you're paying Amazon a dime a server an hour or something. And after you have traffic, it becomes very cheap and very easy to go get some angel money. And angel terms and angel governance end up being much more reasonable. Strategic investors, meaning corporate investors as well. And you can avoid all the overhead of various sorts that comes with the VCs.
So this is a paradigm shift in the way of doing Silicon Valley startups, empowering founders.
Yes, and because with the VCs, once you've already made a few $1 million, you can get great deals. Before that, you can't. And so there's a need, if you're going to go do the giant thing, to go do a small one, make high 6 figures, low 7 figures, which not everyone can, but a lot of good people can, relatively speaking, and then go into the venture capital arrangements with some leverage, with the ability to put 50 or 100 grand of your own money in the company and keep the wolves at bay.
Okay, so this is how not to sell your soul to the venture capitalists of...
It's how not to waste your 20s.
How not to waste your 20s. Okay, and this is a new trend, or is this a emergent trend, or is this a crisis caused trend?
Well, it's been a problem without a solution for a long time. Now, with the ability to host everything on virtual systems, i.e. cloud computing, there is now a solution. And the crisis where the VCs are a little loath to invest, people are looking to save money, which helps the cloud guys a lot. The shift is accelerating.
Okay, all right.
But it was inevitable regardless.
Okay, so free words of advice.
Sure.
Thanks, Scott.